there's been a series of targeted attacks on a high-profile residence. Let's break down what we know. Days before the fire, there were 2 separate break-ins at Mnangagwa's property. On June 23rd, intruders breached security, stealing and then dumping documents, even leaving cartridges outside the minister's bedroom. The police were already deep into investigating these alarming breaches when the fire erupted. Now, with the fire added to the mix, the investigation has grown more intense. What was initially a disturbing case of break-ins has escalated into a potentially dangerous situation. Authorities are working around the clock to uncover the motives and find those responsible. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on this developing story. From break-ins to fire, the home of Deputy Finance Minister Mnangagwa has become the center of a complex investigation. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. We'll keep you informed as new details emerge.